Yo-yo dieting is the cycle of eating overly restrictively and then binge eating, which leads to losing some weight and then gaining all of it back. And unfortunately, many people deal with this vicious cycle throughout their entire life. And quite honestly, it's like the majority of people. They estimate that anywhere from like 90 to 95% of people who have lost a significant amount of weight before end up gaining all of it back. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you why this happens. And from what I can tell, after coaching hundreds, maybe thousands of clients over the last 12 years in the fitness industry, there's two main reasons that leads to this yo-yo dieting cycle. And I'm hoping this video can help you overcome this so that you can lose some weight the right way, keep it off for good, and not worry about it. So to start off here, why don't we have a look at all these magazine covers? Through magazines, through normal TV and regular news, and now through social media, we've been marketed to and conditioned to think these really extreme things are what we should expect on our weight loss journey. Magazines showing doctors, TV news having celebrities on talking about their weight loss, and now social media with influencers who have millions of followers, all giving us false expectations of what's actually true and reality when it comes to someone's weight loss journey. So the first step and the number one issue when it comes to this cycle of yo-yo dieting is that people expect these very fast and extreme results. And when they don't lose 10 pounds in a week or see results as quickly as they were expecting to see it, they end up quitting. They quit for a 3-month period or a 6-month period or a full year. This is when they gain the weight back. And then when they're too heavy to tolerate or they get a scare at the doctor's office, they try another quick fix that's being marketed to them. And this cycle repeats every new year. They try some quick fix or something that seems too good to be true, and then within a couple months, they quit that because they're discouraged or not happy with the progress they're making. And it's this just constant cycle of starting and stopping, starting and stopping. So this is where the whole yo-yo dieting cycle starts, at the very beginning with your mindset and expectations. And the number two issue builds off of that. So if you're expecting really fast, extreme, little to no effort results, what happens is you build a quick fix mindset. So if you're expecting results right away and really extreme results, the only things that will promise that are like quick fix products and gimmicks. We're talking about the juice cleanses. We're talking about the elimination diets like keto and carnivore and many others. And the stomach vibrators, right? That they say you can put this on your stomach and watch Netflix and basically do nothing and you can get abs. This is the type of stuff you see on like a 3 a.m. infomercial, right? So what happens is people are taking approaches that they just simply can't stick to and aren't a lifestyle-based approach. They're after extreme results, right? So they're taking extreme methods to try to get that, which also happens to be unsustainable approaches. And so this leads them down the path of very predictably yo-yo dieting. So here's the change you need to make in yourself and strategically to overcome the yo-yo dieting cycle. Number one, you've got to change your mindset. Ditch the quick fix mindset. Stop expecting really fast results with little effort and try to take a long-term mindset to your whole fitness journey. Aim to lose like 1 to 2 pounds of body fat per week, not 5 pounds a week or 10 pounds a week. And to some people in this quick fix mindset, this feels really slow, but the truth is, no matter how much weight you have to lose, you'll lose all of it within 1 or 2 years if you're losing 1 pound a week or 2 pounds a week. And let's be honest, if you're like 30 or 40 or 50 pounds overweight, it's probably because you've been neglecting your health and your fitness, you've been eating like shit, or you haven't been working out for decades. So to think you could lose all the weight that you want to lose within 1 year or 2 years, that's a pretty good deal, sounds like to me. And if you start thinking of your fitness and your progress in years and not weeks or months, you start developing that long-term mindset. Because what we want in order to overcome this yo-yo dieting cycle, we want you to be better off with your fitness and your health a year from today, and 3 years from today, and 5 years from today. Because we could care less if you lose 20 pounds in a month or two if it turns out that you're back in the same spot in 6 months trying to lose the same 20 pounds. So if we're thinking like this, we want to be better better off a year from today, that's where step 2 comes in, which is we want to pick an approach that doesn't suck to follow. We want a program and a method that we know is more of a lifestyle, that is logical to us, that is going to be part of our weekly routine, and we're not seeing it as a temporary diet or something we're doing just for a little while to try to lose weight fast. And that's why it's got to be an approach that doesn't absolutely suck. And what I mean by suck is that it shouldn't make your life way worse. It shouldn't diminish other areas of your life. It shouldn't be dreadful to follow on a single day. Because if every single day you try to follow this nutrition plan, it's absolutely dreadful, the chances are that you're not going to stick with it for very long. So you need a plan that is sustainable, that isn't totally extreme, and that actually makes your life better, not worse. The right nutrition plan, I tell my clients this all the time, should make your life noticeably easier. It shouldn't make it way harder. And this is the lifestyle-based approach with nutrition and with training that I take with my clients. So yes, of course, I help them see results in the short term, in the first few weeks and months. But my main concern for my clients is making sure that they are in better shape and they are better off a year from today. And even 5 years from today, I have some very long-term clients who have successfully done that. They've gotten in better shape despite getting older. Like Kyle, who's been with me for going on 9 years, and at 39 years old, he's in way better shape than he was at 31. And Jason as well, who's in way better shape in his early 40s at 42 than he was at 38 when he started. And Richard, who's in wildly better shape at 60 than he was at 57. So overcoming the yo-yo dieting cycle is first and foremost overcoming the quick fix mindset and setting proper expectations when you start your program and your journey. And if this all resonates with you and you're finally done with that quick fix mindset, you want to do things the right way that will actually serve you and help you long term, and you'd like my accountability and guidance step by step to make it happen, feel free to inquire about my Modern Man coaching program in the link down below in the description, and we can see if it's a fit for you. And what I always tell new clients coming on board is, if you're not 100% confident that this is going to work for you, then absolutely don't join. Either way, I really hope this video was helpful to you, even if it helped shift your mindset or beliefs or expectations just a little bit. I think that can actually have a significant impact on your fitness journey and your results. And if you liked the video, consider this one over here as well, because I think that one can help you on your fitness journey too. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you on that next video.